Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Deepak, and today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of how to create a Nutella jar ad. First, first I will head over to ChatGPT, and this is a custom prompt. You just need to convert this idea into a JSON prompt. You just need to hit on it, and it will ask you what kind of idea do you want to share. So I will be typing generate me a JSON prompt for Nutella jar ad. Now it will generate a full JSON prompt for Nutella ad. Now let it generate. Then I will hover over to Flow TV. Now I have generated the. I will copy this and I will go to Flow TV. Now I will press this text to video because it is only a text. So I will copy paste the prompt and I will hit generate. We'll wait for 1 minute for it to generate. By that time I will show you how I created this JSON prompt, how I use JSON prompt to create this wonderful ad of Nutella. I'll show it to you again. See this. So beautifully it has been generated by VO3. Now it is generating. By that time I will show you the beauty of this GPT. Now if you want, for example, generate me a JSON prompt for a, we can say Tesla car ad. You just type your idea and it will give you the JSON prompt for any idea. See this. So beautifully it has generated a JSON prompt. Now I'll hover over to Flow TV. Now see this. I will just play the button and it will show you the ad. See this. And that was from me. And thank you for patiently listening to me.